Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. Just a brief update. So retracement here shows rather slow progress. So market has turned to the absolutely logical action, so we have discussed yesterday, because the major short-term targets have been completed. So we can see this completion of the ABCD pattern, completion of the butterfly 127, meeting of the overbought. And yesterday also it was supportive for retracement data on the United States inflation. That's why market has turned to the normal retracement. At the same time, we have to acknowledge that the recent SPDR fund statistics shows that the fund has got approximately 13 tons of the inflows in the fund, and this is a supportive factor for a rally. So it gives us more confidence this rally is not empty, and it's really has real support from the purchases of the investors at the upside. It's really nice sign of that this rally really could be continued in the nearest future. So from the technical point of view, you can see that market has formed this high wave pattern right at the top. Sometimes it indicates indecision, sometimes it indicates just the pause in the rally. This is not the directional candle, but what is really has the importance here is the extreme points. So the low and the top of this pattern. Because if market will taken out of the low, it will mean that it will continue most likely lower. At least the distance equals to the length of this candle. So counted to the downside, it approximately shows around 1160. If it will turn back and turn to the upside and taken out of the top of this candle, it means that market could show the upward direction. And as you can see, guys, here we have discussed this moment. Here you see the existence of the minor targets, 1618 extension of this inner ABC bottom pattern. And theoretically, we can't totally exclude the chance that market could try. Will show just minor bounce here, return right back down, hit the target, and then start major retracement. That is possible, although based on the action that we see right now, its chances are not significant. Yesterday they were better chances on this action, but right now as market has turned to the downside action to this Friday, rally was really significant. Investors have turned to taking the profit. Today probably, guys, I would bet on the further downward action rather than this scenario. But still, it's just information on the applicability of this high wave pattern. So if you'll take a look at the forward time frame chart, you'll see that yesterday we have discussed that market could take the shape of the 3 drive, and if it really will follow it, it could reach the target of the 3 drive, and the target is the bottom between the 2nd drive and the 3rd drive. It's the minimum target of the 3 drive pattern. That target stands not really far. At the first glance, it seems that it's too far retracement, but in reality, guys, it's just the 3/8 support of the ABCD pattern. So we take a look at the ABCD on the daily chart. It's even minor ABCD. ABC bottom, 3/8 support, so 1156, and instead it's almost at the same area as the target of the 3 drive. It's 1150, 1156 in an area that market could reach on this retracement down. Especially taking into consideration that market is overbought, we even could expect the deeper retracement. In general, guys, the ABCD will be valid if market will show even 618 retracement after the completion of this pattern. Although, taking into consideration a recent rally, it should not happen. So it's really too fast action for a deep retracement. But 1150, that's also will be the previous top. And the gold market, as we know, really likes to retest the broken tops, its previous tops. It's absolutely possible. So let's be focused on this target first, and here we will see whether it's time to take the long position here or not. But today, guys, probably hardly will happen something interesting. So probably we should be ready for retracement here. It will be tactical, and after that we will see what we could do, and really will we like to take the long position right in this moment, or we will be waiting for some deeper retracement. It will depend on how market will approach to this area.